Welcome back, heroes. This is Christian back here with another video just for all of you guys. Man, I am so excited to show you guys some of the amazing things and content that we have coming for the channel and for all of you guys. But until then, I just want to really quick show you guys one more time my setup with my streaming, my setup with my gaming. I have a whole bunch of stuff coming, guys. I just started a Twitch channel. The Twitch is at Christian Hunnell. Twitch is at Christian Hunnell. We'll be playing a bunch of cards, games. We'll be playing a whole bunch of JRPGs, playing a whole bunch of fighting games, some first-person shooters, actions, adventures, role-playing, you name it. So go ahead and follow my Twitch at Christian Hunnell. Speaking of video gaming, I'll be bringing you guys some awesome POVs of some Assetto Corsa driving. I see that a bunch of you guys also like video games. A bunch of you guys also like that type of content. So I really want to bring more of that content to you guys as well too. Also, if you guys saw the thumbnail, you already know that we just ordered some pretty cool stuff for the Corvette. We have some amazing things coming, some more surprises that I'm going to be showing you guys in this video and in videos to come. But anyway, shout out one more time to Amir at RS Future for just absolutely helping me out so much, guys, with telling me everything that I'm going to need for this car, for this build, and everything that they're doing. Also, remember, Global Time Attack is going to be co-hosting an event with RS Future and Art of Attack this Saturday, guys. This Saturday, November 5th, over at RS Future and Art of Attack's shop. They're going to be hosting a Global Time Attack pre-event with a whole bunch of Time Attack drivers, whole bunch of builds, whole bunch of modifications to show you guys. Some of their cars, even Art of Attack's M4 and a few of the other cars, are actually at SEMA right now, so you guys can probably, hopefully, be able to see that car. If not, you'll be able to see some other cars. If it's going to be at SEMA, there's gonna be a whole bunch of cars there that I know you guys are gonna like. I'm gonna also be there, so if you want to go ahead and check out the Corvette and meet me as well, go ahead and check out that flyer on my Instagram, on RS Future's Instagram, or Art of Attack's Instagram. And lastly, I do have some more sponsorships and surprises to bring you guys in this video. But until then, if you guys like the video, hit the like button, follow your subscribe button. Like I always keep saying, guys, go after your dreams and make them reality. Let's have a good one, guys. Let's get it. Peace. Alright, y'all, so like I was saying, shout out to ACS Composites for hooking me up with some more parts of theirs to bring and show you guys on the channel. I actually gotten ACS Composites parts before on the channel. I was able to hook it up when it came to some of the parts, but these are going to be so awesome. This part is going to be wheel liner, like in the Z06. You can't really see it too well because this is a Stingray, but in the Z06, there's the black like wheel liner, but in the rear, it doesn't have it. This is actually going to be giving me the black rear liner here throughout the whole entire way. And also there's like a little fin here. It's on this diffuser. It's a little different for the Z06. But I'm really excited to show you guys that. It has been raining, so whoever gave me this package, it literally just got here in the rain. It was outside, so I just brought it in. So I'm going to be wiping this off. But shout out to ACS Composites. We're going to go ahead and get that on in another video. Obviously, because the Corvette is not here, I'm going to be traveling back to Amir's over the weekend. And hopefully we can have time to put this on the vehicle as well. But one more time, guys, shout out to ACS Composites. They have everything. Some pretty clean stuff. Absolutely love their stuff. I actually got booked for a wedding, so I'm going to be going really quickly back to LA, back to California. So unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to do that tour of the home for you guys fully. I know you guys have been looking forward to that. I know I've been wanting to do that. I even have the loft up there. Like, we have a whole bunch of stuff. The stairs are going to be over there. We have a whole bunch of stuff to show you guys. Again, I am so excited just to show you guys so much stuff of this house and just some of the things I've done to decorate and just overall the home. So sorry for the waiting for me to do the entire home tour. That's why I'm kind of giving you guys a little sneak peek a little bit of some of the nice things that we have for the home tour. You've got the nice backyard, got the nice couches out there. But we're gonna have that when I get back from LA, back from California. Like I said, I'm trying to do a little bit better of a vlog kind of idea and just kind of vibes, so you guys can really kind of see me more overall and just kind of doing this type of styling of videoing for you guys. But anyway, let's get back to it. Woo! But this is what I know you guys have been waiting to see and wanting to see. Yes, that's right. I went ahead and ordered a AIM AIM MXG, I think the 7-inch screen for the Corvette. Now we can truly data log this. I'm gonna have a full-on screen. It's gonna look just like the C7.R, guys. We're gonna be able to truly just tell everything as far as optimal lap times, as far as how everything's gonna look, as far as how I'm driving. I'm just gonna have so much more data when it comes to everything with the car. This is how it's gonna sit. We're actually gonna keep the dash in the Corvette, or the heads up, but what we're gonna do is we're just gonna put a mount right here. It's gonna mount right in front, so it's literally gonna look just like this. This is how it's gonna look on the Corvette, and just it's gonna be awesome, man. It tells you the intake temperatures. It's gonna tell you pretty much everything that you need for the car. Again, the Corvette has some of these features, but it doesn't have all these features. Just always right there on the go. I'm gonna be able to just use this to really become that much better of a track driver, that much better of a racer, and just optimally understand where I can improve and get better when it comes to my racing. I absolutely just am so stoked to get this. This is the AIM MXG. One more time, a bunch of time attack racers have this. You can, like I said, you can do cameras, you can do a whole bunch of stuff. I have cameras in the car, but man, I'm so excited, man. This is so cool. Now, this is not a cheap option, but it's definitely in the long run going to be worth it. Like I said, guys, we're going full send. We're going full send with this build, full send with the Corvette. We're going all in, guys. We're going all in to really build something that's gonna just be something special. You know, this Corvette has been my dream car for so long. I have it, and now that I have it, like, I want to just do everything I can to truly make it that much more special. But anyway, this is what I was able to get in order, and I'm just so excited for Amir to go ahead and install this. Thank you one more time to ACS Composites for hooking it up. And yeah, guys, that's it for this video. Anyway, I just want to say thank you guys so much for always supporting the channel, liking and commenting and subscribing, and just every minute, every second you guys give to me. I truly appreciate it. And we just passed 27,000 subscribers, guys. I think doing these consistent videos is really going to help with the algorithms. So hopefully that we can keep growing this hero community. Like I said, I'm going to be putting in the work. I'm going to be editing. I'm going to be videoing every single day for the entire month, guys. So stay with me, and hopefully I can continue to keep improving and bring you guys the content that you want. Anyway, have a blessed day. Stay safe. And like I always keep saying, guys, go after your dreams and make them reality. And remember, be your own hero, because the world needs more heroes, and we all got the power to be one. Anyway, have a great day, guys. Let's get it. Peace.